What are we getting materials for, Max? He needs a buddy. He needs a buddy. Does he have a name?
No.
No. So what supplies do we need? Obviously we need a sock.
Yeah, without a sock, we wouldn't be able to make a sock puppet.
All right, let's find a sock.
Sock puppet with no eyes, just a sock puppet with a tongue and a sock. Underwear, socks, and let me see this one. This is just one sock, so this is the other one. Right side out. Oh, is this how we actually fold socks?
Yeah, that's how Mama folds up socks. She rolls socks. It's time to make our sock puppet.
So I have a sock.
You got a sock. What else do you need to do the sock puppet?
Okay, I'm just gonna go get it.
What do you need to get?
Glue dots, a white piece of fabric, a pink piece of fabric, and then a little bit of black pieces of fabric. And you just cut out the shapes, and then...
Getting out your fabric pieces?
Yeah.
You got stuff hiding underneath the table?
What?
Oh, you guys do have a box of fabric back there.
Okay, we got something.
What about that white fabric on the ground? Do you need that white fabric?
That's something.
Oh, is that gold fabric?
This is silver fabric, and also this is silver fabric, but now it's already Gregor made something with it already.
Okay.
This is all the stuff I need to make it, except the last thing.
What's the last thing that you need?
Glue dots. Where are they? Hey, where are these stupid glue dots? Hey, come over here.
Still looking for glue dots, huh?
I see some stuff on the table.
These are the glue dots. It's all unraveled.
You know Max is bug at taking the glue dots off the meat.
Because I craft like the most things, and I'm the one who crafts the most things, like puppets.
You have been a prolific puppeteer.
This is a little...
You're pointing at the light, Gregor? It is different having some light source in here, but I tell you what it does, it makes the camera look way better. The camera picture looks awesome. Compared to
And
having
also
no
I
lights
turned
on.
off all of the light.
Well, I appreciate it.
So I need to get this in the correct angle because it's kind of floppy right now. So first, I got the mouth out. Now I just need the eyes.
Is that gonna be the eye?
Yeah, this is gonna be the eye. I need a tiny...
The circle eye. People do nothing have circle eyes.
People don't have circle eyes. They have sphere eyes.
Yeah, you're right. They are three-dimensional, but I think they're like an oblong spheroid, which is a weird word, but it's like egg-shaped.
Max, then do this.
That one I already made.
No, copy it.
Yeah.
I am trying to copy it.
Is this actually glue?
Well, they're called glue dots.
Are they super sticky?
Yeah.
3, 4,
That looks pretty
5,
awesome.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm trying to make it look kind of silly.
It's perfect.
There.
They're really good. Yeah, glue those suckers up.
When you said it, you like glued out those suckers up like, so long, suckers! So long, brain suckers. That's actually disgusting.
Brain suckers?
So long, brain suckers.
In our last video, you talked about wanting to eat brains, and now you're talking about brain suckers. That book has definitely got you going. What's that book called?
Brain eaters.
Brain Eaters.
It's like brain eaters. Creatures with zombie-like diets. Okay, that looks goofier than I expected.
They're amazing though.
What if you turn it around? I think I like it like this.
I think so too. They're really good. Those are great.
First, I just need to get my hand in it for a second to get the sock used to being in this position. And then just go like this for a while. Okay. Okay, now the sock is listening.
What?
Unglue that. Stick. Stick.
Ooh.
It's on the wrong side.
Oh no. Is it possible to fix it?
It is possible. I just need to get these pieces of glue off.
His eyes are there.
And now, all we need to do is test it out.
What?
Oh man, he's amazing, bud.
Here, Gregor. And I get this one. The first one seems to be better than the second one. See?
That guy has great angles to his eyes. Alright, so are we gonna set up the stage?
Yeah. Or I can go like, hello. Now, battle!
What was that about?
A battle!
A cat!
There's
a dog!
It's a monster! A battle!
You okay, Pepper?
Ow.
Papa? Did you just kick the... You kicked the thing?
The floppy piece of I'm like, I'm walking in the town and I'm so cool. And everybody's taking pictures of me and saying, whoa. And then I hit the road and keep walking. Now I
himself! Baba! 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 Baba!
Edgar cries in most of our videos because he's not listening.
He does cry a lot.
Yeah.
It's not because he's weak. It's because he doesn't listen.
He's so weak.
No. He's not weak. Ow! He's not weak. He's strong. He's just got bad behavior sometimes. We should check on Gregor. Let's check on Gregor! Gregor! Gregor? I think he's gone.
Did he just disappear into a portal?
I heard him!
I know how to find him by sound. But I've been farting so much that I turned into a floppy piece of skin. And I'm so cool. I just walk around the road and everybody thinks I'm so cool. And they're taking pictures of me. And they're like, whoa. And then I just keep walking along. And my pants down. My pants is down and my shirt's still on.
That's enough! Gregor!
Maybe he wants to play hide and go seek. I'm gonna go find him. Ah!
You go find him. I'm going to sleep. I have grown more powerful than ever. Oh God! This can't go on. We need to find a way to live together. So stop it!
No.
It's like a head chomp. Oh. I love you, monkey. I got one more idea. Let's do throw up sounds.
Those aren't good. We're obsessed. Those don't sound like barfing.
Don't barf shame me, bro. I feel great. This was fun. My neck hurts. I'm going to bed again. Good night, everyone. I can't wait to see how that looks.